Polynomials. Okay. First, we have learned about the variables and the constants used in the polynomials. Okay. And plus, start your camera, all of you. Okay. Ramesh, can you please tell me what are polynomials? I will learn about this.
Polynomials.
Yes.
It is an expression with more than three terms, or more than two terms.
Polynomials can have one term also. Afsar, please tell me what are polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what are polynomials? Tell me, Aspan, what are polynomials?
So polynomials are the algebraic expressions with more than one term.
Why are you saying more than one term? Can polynomial have one term only?
No.
So polynomials can also include one term and more than one term.
Yes. But you are saying that polynomials always having more than one term.
Oh, sorry, it also includes one.
Okay, first we learn variables. What are variables? The variables are the quantities which values varies with every situation, every questions. Okay. For example, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, or all the variables. Okay, these are alphabets or variables. Okay, because the values of X, Y, Z, A, B, C are change with every situation. Okay, Ramesh.
Yeah.
Okay. In some questions, X is equal to something, X is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay, etc. And the constants are the terms, are the numbers which values does not change. Okay, all the numbers, all the real numbers are constants. Okay, for example, all the natural numbers are constant, all the integers, negative, 0, and positive. Okay, these are all constants. All rational numbers, okay, all are constants. All irrational numbers, okay, these are all constants. Understood, Hafsa, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And the mixture of this variable and constants with fundamental signs of operations, okay, are called polynomials. The mixture of the variables and the constants with fundamental signs of operations are called polynomials. For example, 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. Okay, because they have a variable here, constant here. Okay, it has a variable and constant, and these are the fundamental signs of operations. Okay, and what is the sign between 2 and an x? Tell me. It is
Addition.
2x plus 3. No.
The
Aspan,
sign is the sign,
what is the sign between 2 and x?
the positive sign.
No. Hafsa, what is the fundamental sign of operation between 2 and an x? Tell me, Hafsa. Have you know it? Not.
don't know it.
Yeah.
I don't know it.
Okay. It is multiplication. Okay, between 2 and x. What is the sign? Multiplication. Understood? Okay. Aswan, you are saying that it is positive. Yeah, it is positive. I'm not saying that.
Yes, sir.
I
Multiplication.
yeah, I want to know the sign. X is positive and 2 is also positive. Okay, but I
Yes, sir.
want to know the sign of operation between 2 and x.
Sir, multiplication.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is called polynomials. Understood?
Yes.
And if the variable having one power, this is called linear polynomial. Okay. These are the types of the polynomial. Linear. Okay. If the highest degree in the polynomial of a variable is one, then that is called the linear polynomial. Understood? Yes. But one condition is necessary for being a polynomial, which is the power of the variable in a polynomial should be or must be, sorry, must be a whole number or a positive integer. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
What does it mean? What does it mean?
Sir, if the power of the variable, for example, like x square, the square must be positive number. It should be a whole number and a positive number. Then only it can become an equation.
Yeah, not equation, polynomial. Okay.
Polynomial.
Yes. For example, tell me 3 by x plus 9 is a polynomial or not? 3 upon x plus 9.
Sir, not a polynomial.
Ramesh, it is a polynomial?
Um.
No.
No.
Can you please elaborate? Why? Can you please explain? Why 3 upon x plus 9 is not a polynomial?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Hafsa, it is a polynomial?
I'm not sure this. I think so, yeah.
Okay, Aswan, tell me why it's not considered a polynomial?
Because the power of a fraction will always become 1 by 2.
No. No. The power of the
That's
variable here, power of the variable is here is 1 also. Okay, a whole
one,
number.
sir.
But what is the problem here? The problem here is that if we take this x into the numerator,
It will
okay,
become negative 1.
yeah, power will become negative.
Yes, sir.
Power will become negative. Okay. Okay, Afsa? Understood?
Yeah.
Afsa, are you there? Okay, if the power, if we take the denominator into the numerator, okay, the power will get negative. So it's not considered to be a polynomial, okay, because the power will, we got negative. Understood? Yes. So we do not consider a variable in the denominator as a polynomial, okay? Understood, Nabeez?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm taking another example, which is, for example, 5 root x plus 2. Tell me, it is a polynomial or not?
So it is a polynomial.
Ramesh, it is a polynomial?
Yeah.
No, it is not considered to be a polynomial. Why? What is the, what do you mean by root x? Do you know what is the power of x here?
Mm,
So 1 by 2.
Yeah. The power is square root means the power is 1 by 2.
1 upon
Afsa, have you disconnected?
Yes, I disconnected.
Okay. See here. I'm saying that I'm taking another example, which is 5 root x plus 2. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because root x means x to the power 1 upon 2. Okay. And x to the power, if I'm writing here, x to the power 1 upon 2 plus 2. 1 upon 2 is a whole number.
No.
no, sir.
Okay. And it is not also a positive integer. So it is not considered to be a polynomial. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
There is, for example, cube root. So it is not also considered to be a polynomial because cube root means the power 1 by 3. Okay, it's not considered to be a polynomial. Understood now or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I'm saying that if we have power 1 in the variable, this is called linear polynomial. Okay. Now the second is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. If the power is 2 in a polynomial, for example, 6x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay. Which is the highest power here?
2.
Sir,
That is called quadratic polynomial. Understood?
yeah.
And the cubic polynomial, cubic means the power 3. 8x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay. So the highest power is 3. So this is called cubic polynomial. Okay. Note it down. Note down these things. Note down these things. And this is the important note. Okay. The power of the variable must be a whole number or positivity. Afsar, are you noting?
Yes, sir. Someone
Done. Sir, I'm done.
That's
Yes, done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, classification of the polynomials according to their terms. Okay. If polynomial having one term, it is called monomial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The polynomial having one term only. For example, 5x is a polynomial. Okay. This is a polynomial. Tell me, only x is a polynomial, Ramesh? Only x.
Polynomial or monomial?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, monomial is the type of a polynomial. I'm saying that only x is a polynomial or not?
It is.
It is. Afsa?
I think it
Yeah. Don't know. X is also considered to be a polynomial because we have a variable here. Okay. And constant also. Where is the constant? Constant is hidden as 1 into. We
Constant
can
is,
write. Yeah, constant is 1. We can write x as 1 into x. Minus x is also a polynomial. Okay.
sir, x is a polynomial because its power is 0.
Yeah.
Sir, x is a polynomial because its power is 0.
No, power is not 0. Power is 1. How can you say that power is 0? Power is 1. Okay.
Okay.
Anything having power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. If I'm writing 5, only 5, it is a polynomial or not? Tell me.
No.
That's fun.
Sir,
No, it is a
sir,
polynomial. How? It is a polynomial. How? Because we can write 5 as 5 into 1. We can write, okay? And we
yes,
can
sir.
write 1 as x to the power 0 because here, from here, okay? So it is
Yeah.
also considered to be a polynomial. Okay, it is called a constant polynomial. Understood?
Yes.
Now binomial.
Two terms.
Binomial. A polynomial is having two terms. For example, 5x plus 7, 3x square by 5 plus 8. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
is
this is
pi
the
a
binomial.
polynomial?
Yeah.
Sir, like, for example, is pi a polynomial?
Pi. Yeah, pi is a
Yes, sir.
polynomial. It's called constant polynomial. Trinomial
Three terms.
having three terms. 8x square plus 5x plus 7. That's a trinomial. Okay. 9x square minus 2x minus 2. Put it down.
Done.
And what is the degree of the polynomial? Degree.
The degree is the highest power.
highest power.
Yes. Degree is the highest power of the polynomial. Okay.
Yeah.
Highest power of the variable. Of the variable. Okay, not the constant.
That's
Now, tell me what are the coefficients? Coefficients. Also, have you facing some issue?
Oh no, I say the Wi-Fi keeps going off.
I'm not hearing you properly. What are you saying?
For some reason, the Wi-Fi keeps going off.
Okay, okay. Now it's fixed or not? Will it fix?
Sorry, sir, could you repeat that?
Your issue is fixed or not? Okay, see, I'm telling that about the degree. Degree is the highest power of the variable in a polynomial. Okay. Okay, Afsa?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, highest power of the variable in a polynomial. Okay. It should be noted that I'm telling about a variable here, not the constant. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Coefficients. What are the coefficients? For example, I'm writing here 7x. Then coefficient of 7, oh sorry, x is 7. Okay. Coefficient is the number which is in the multiplication of the number. Okay. 7 is in the
coefficient
multiplication.
is the number with the variable.
The coefficient is the number what?
With the variable.
No, it's not necessary.
It is like the constant that is being multiplied with the variable.
For example, I have to know that what is the coefficient of 7. Then what is the coefficient of 7? Tell me. Coefficient of 7 is x. Okay. Okay, Afsa?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is the coefficient of x here? Afsa, tell me what is the coefficient of x?
I think the coefficient of x, isn't it 7?
What? No, here. Only x. What is the coefficient of x here? Tell me.
The coefficient of x is 7.
No, in this problem, I am taking the second problem. I have marked this. I have marked the second problem.
No,
No.
oh no.
What should be the in multiplication of x, Ramesh? Here,
1.
1. We can multiply 1. Okay, Afsa. We can multiply 1 with every number. Understood?
No. Yes.
So coefficient of x will be 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In minus x, tell me, Aspan, what is the coefficient of x?
Minus.
Minus 1. Okay? Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm taking some questions. You want to note it down, Hafsa?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'll write it down.
Okay, note it. Asman, when your exam will be held?
What's up?
When your exam will be held? Exam. What is your
So
exam date?
in school or in the tuition, sir?
In school.
So I think it's May 8th or May 13th, sir.
May 13. 2 chapters are coming in
Sir,
this chapter.
so first chapter and second chapter.
Okay, okay. So we will complete this chapter before, okay?
Yes, sir.
Ramesh, have you any exam in your school?
Yeah, it's like it starts from June 11, but I don't know what the math exam is.
In June.
Yeah,
Not holiday in June. Summer holiday.
no, for us the summer holiday starts from July.
So your summer start from July.
Yeah, or like June last, like in that time.
Okay. And Afsa, is there any exam in your school?
Yeah, I think mine starts in June as well.
It's starting in May.
In June.
In June.
Yeah.
Have you know the syllabus of the exam?
No, not yet.
Okay. Have you done? Afsa,
Yes,
have you
I'm
done?
done.
Okay. Okay, these are the questions. Which of the following expressions are polynomials and in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answers. Do these questions, all of you. And state the reason. If they are not, okay, you have to state the reason that why it's not considered to be a polynomial in one variable, okay?
Sir, I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Sir, have you done?
No,
Sir,
sir,
I'm done.
just a minute.
Sir,
Okay. Okay. Time number of first one.
so first one, it is a polynomial.
Okay. Ramesh, tell me, second is a polynomial or not?
Polynomial, yeah.
No, sir, it's not a
Size.
polynomial.
Of size gone. Okay. Third one.
So second one is
It's a,
not a polynomial.
why?
So because it has a power of 1/2.
So it has the power one by of the variable or constant.
Oh, constants.
Okay, understood.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
The power must be.
sir,
Yeah.
the question is asking which of the polynomials are in one variable, right? Not if the expression is a polynomial.
What are you saying? I'm not understand.
Sir, the question asks if the polynomial is in one variable, not if the
Yes.
expression is a polynomial.
The question is that you have to identify the polynomials in one variable only. Okay. So first is the polynomial of one variable. It has one variable. Okay, x and x.
Yeah.
Same, and it has also a polynomial. Second one. Okay, because it has a constant and a variable. And the third one, tell me, third one is a polynomial or not?
No.
No, sir.
No, it's not, because the t has not the power
1/2
of the
access.
whole. Yes. Tell me, fourth one is a polynomial?
No, sir.
No.
No,
No.
because
-1 access.
yes, I have taken example here. Okay,
So,
tell me fifth one.
so last one is a polynomial, but not in one variable.
But not considered two. Okay, here are saying that you have to identify a polynomial which is in the one variable.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Ramesh? Okay. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following terms.
So,
Done? That's all.
yes, sir.
Okay, wait for it.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, tell me the coefficient of first.
1.
Aswan, 1 is right or not?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Okay. And the second one,
One negative.
Ramesh, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, third one,
5/2.
5/2. Okay, fourth one,
So 0.
Ramesh, it's correct?
Yeah, there is no x square.
Yeah?
There is no x square.
Yeah, there is no x square. Okay, so it will be 0. Hafsa, your internet connection is fine, working fine or not?
For the past few classes, it was working fine, but then before that it wasn't, and now it's acting up again.
Okay, no problem. Okay, please fix this in the next classes. Okay, we have done these questions. For first question number 1, we have to identify the following expressions are polynomial in one variable. Okay. So question number 1 is the polynomial in one variable. Question number 2 is also in polynomial in one variable. Okay, but not 3, 4, and 5. Understood? Because of why? In question number 3, t has not the power as a whole number or a positive integer. Okay, Afsa?
Yes, sir.
In fourth one, y is in the denominator, so it is not also considered to be a polynomial. And in the fifth one, it is a polynomial, but it's not in one variable, so it's not considered to be a polynomial in one variable. Okay. In question number 2, you have to write the coefficients of x square in which in of the following. The coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, because there is no constant here, so it is considered to be a 1. Okay. In second, the coefficient of x square is -1. Okay. And in the third one, coefficient of x square is pi/2. In the fourth one, coefficient of x is √2. Oh, sorry. Coefficient of x square, it has not the term of x square, so it considered to be 0. Okay. Because the polynomial has not the term x square. Understood or not? Tell me. Afsa. Yes. Okay, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Tell me the degree.
Friends,
Yeah, run.
Afsa, you have done or not?
No, sir, just a minute.
Yes, Hafsa, tell me the answers. Tell me the answer of one. Question number first.
The first one,
Yeah.
I think the answer of the first one is 3.
Yes. Ramesh for the second one.
2.
Okay. Aswan for the third one.
It's 1.
Okay. Hafsa, can you please tell me the last answer? Last.
Is it 0?
Yes. Okay, to question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. Okay.
Sure.
Done.
Yes.
Hafsa, you are done or not?
Done.
Hafsa, have you done?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer. Hafsa, for the first one. Tell me, it's linear, quadratic, and cube or cubic.
Is the first one a polynomial?
No, you have to classify as linear, quadratic, or cubic. Tell me, it is linear or quadratic or cubic.
Linear?
No. Ramesh, tell me.
Quadratic.
Okay. Aspan, it is right.
Yes, sir.
Hafsa, I've told you the types of the polynomials as if the degree of the quadratic if the if the degree of a polynomial is 2, okay, it means highest power is 2. Okay, it is considered to be quadratic. Okay.
Okay.
And if the degree of the variable in a polynomial is 1, so it is considered to be linear. Okay. And if the degree is 3, if the degree is 3, so so it is considered to be a cubic polynomial. Okay. If the highest power is 3, so it is considered to be a cubic polynomial. Understood, Hafsa? Now, okay. So second one is, tell me, Asfan.
Cubic.
It is cubic because highest power is 3. Okay. Tell me about third, Hafsa.
Is the third one
It
linear?
is no.
Linear?
Which is high? No. Which is the highest power here? Tell me, what is the highest power? Yeah,
Is it y?
I'm not hearing you. Tell me again.
Is it y?
No, it is 2 here. You're not seeing on the screen. Okay, the highest power is 2 here. So it is quadratic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tell me about 4, Ramesh.
Linear.
Linear. Okay. Aswan, fifth one.
Linear.
Linear. Okay. Sixth one. Afsa. Sixth one.
Sixth one, is the sixth one linear?
Yeah. Tell me again. Your voice is stuck.
Linear?
No. Why are you saying linear? What is the power of variable here? Tell me.
2.
2. So I've told you that if you have power 2 in a polynomial, okay, then what is the polynomial called? Quadratic polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. If you're having power 1 in a polynomial, okay, if you're having power 1, then the polynomial is called linear. And if you're having the highest power is 2, then it is called quadratic. If you have highest power is 3, that is called cubic. Okay, Afsa?
Yes.
Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me about the last one, Hafsa. Tell me. It is cubic, linear, or quadratic? Tell me.
I think it's cubic. Yeah, cubic.
Yes. Okay, because the highest power is 3. Okay, it is cubic, and the sixth one, it is quadratic. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay,
sir.
Aswan, tell me, Ramesh, tell me that if you have any topic that you also not understand,
No,
anything you
sir.
can't understand, or concepts are clear or not?
Yeah.
Aswan,
Yeah.
is there any problem?
No.
Hafsa, have you any problem? Tell me in this topic.
No.
Okay, Hafsa, please keep revise this topic. Okay, please revise.
No.
Okay, we'll start the new topic in the next class. Okay, Aswan, Ramesh, and Hafsa. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, which is
Yeah.
zeros of polynomial. We will start in the next class.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye.